Hey guys, it's Natalie. Today we're making a Nekter copycat recipe of the peanut butter health nut smoothie. Grab some frozen bananas, vanilla protein powder, natural peanut butter, maple syrup, homemade cashew milk, which we have a recipe for, and soaked dates, which we will drain. And they are pitted too, of course. Add the ingredients to a high-speed blender. And do the initial blend. Scrape down the sides and check the consistency. If you want a little bit more milk, then just add a smidge at a time. And if you'd like it to be a little more creamy, add another frozen banana or a piece of one or some ice and blend again. Give it a taste test. And if needed, add some more sweetener, but honestly, the dates and the maple together are very sweet, but adjust to your liking. Are you ready for the taste test?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It tastes like ice cream. It tastes like ice cream.
Yum.